Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you fix your video quality into Twitter. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, talking about blurry video qualities, it might be because of your low internet speed or internet errors. So firstly, check your internet connection is stable or not. Now, if your internet connection is stable, simply open your X application, formerly known as Twitter, and after opening X, simply go to the setting of X. And then, after going into setting, from here choose the setting of accessibility display and languages. And there you will find the data use setting into here. Click into that data use setting, and then if your data saver is on, simply off that. What happens by doing this is your video was previously consuming less data. Now your video will get proper data to play the video in the highest quality. By following these very easy steps, you can easily fix your blurry video quality into the Twitter. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.